Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. How are you, my dear students? Alhamdulillah, I am also fine and fantastic today. আমাদের প্রতিদিনের 5টি প্রশ্ন মনে আছে? Number 1, what's your name? What class are you in? How old are you? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? What is your school's name? My school's name is Grido Kalindia Government Primary School. Bolo. What class are you in?
I am in class 2.
Okay, thank you very much.